Here is the Mazda 3 preview. This feels a bit of deja vu. Hello Mazda 3, have we met before? A Mazda 3 Evolve. Ta-da! Huh, deja vu? Hello, are you my long-lost sweetheart? This looks familiar. It feels like I've done this before. It feels like I've Mazda'd before. This feels like deja vu. Huh, sweetheart, you're back! The Mazda 3. Same, but different. But same. The 2010 Mazda 3. Same, but different. But same.